Hello, I'm Emma from Talk Smart Podcast.
And I'm Jake. We're here to help you learn English clearly and practically.
Today's lesson is perfect for beginners.
Emma, when I started learning English, I tried to learn every word in the dictionary. It was overwhelming.
I can imagine. The truth is, you don't need thousands of words to start speaking English. You need the right words.
The most common ones.
Exactly. Research shows that just 100 words make up about 50% of everyday English conversation.
So if I know these 100 words, I can understand half of what people say.
That's right. And today, we're teaching you those 100 words. Today's topic is 100 most common English words for beginners. These are A1 level words, the foundation you need to start speaking English confidently.
So these are the most important words to learn first.
Absolutely. We've organized them into categories to make learning easier. Let's begin. First category, pronouns and basic subjects. These are the words you use to talk about people and things. Words 1 through 15. I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, him, her, us, them, this, that, these. Listen to how they sound. I go to school. You are my friend. He is tall. She is kind. It is cold. We are students. They are teachers.
So, I, you, he, she, it are for the subject of the sentence.
Correct. And me, him, her, us, them are for the object. He helps me. I see them.
Got it. What about this, that, these?
These are demonstratives. Use them to point to things. This book is mine. That car is new. These apples are fresh.
This, that, these. Clear.
Category 2, essential verbs. These are action words you use constantly. Words 16 through 35. Be, am, is, are. Have. Do. Go. Make. Get. Know. Think. See. Want. Come. Take. Use. Find. Give. Tell. Work. Call. Try. Need. These verbs appear in almost every conversation. I am happy. I have a book. I do my homework. I go home. I make dinner.
So be changes to am, is, are?
Exactly. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. It's the most important verb in English.
And what about have?
I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, they have. Notice has for he, she, it.
I have a question. He has the answer. Perfect.
Perfect. Category 3, common adjectives. These describe people, places, and things. Words 36 to 50. Good, new, old, big, small, great, long, little, own, other, right, wrong, high, low, different. These help you describe the world. It's a good day. I have a new phone. That's a big house. This is a small room.
Can I say I have an own car?
Not quite. Say, I have my own car. Own usually comes after my, your, his, her.
Ah, my own car, your own room, his own book.
Perfect. You've got it. Category 4, time and place words. These tell you when and where. Words 51 to 65. Time, day, year, way, place, here, there, now, then, today, where, when, how, why, what. Listen carefully. What time is it? Where is the park? When is the meeting? How are you? Why are you late?
So these are question words too?
Many of them? Yes. What, where, when, how, why are the 5 WH questions in English.
What, where, when, how, why. I'll remember that.
Excellent. Practice using them every day. Category 5, connecting and helping words. These join your sentences together. Words 66 to 85 are and, but, or, because, if, so, when, then, like, as, in, on, at, to, for, with, from, about, up, out.
These are crucial. I like tea and coffee. I'm tired but happy. We stay home because it's raining. I go to school. I study with my friend. I'm from Spain.
These are small words, but they're everywhere.
Exactly. English is built on these small connecting words. Use in for cities and countries, on for days and surfaces, at for specific times and places. I live in London. I arrive on Monday. I'm at home at 5 p.m.
Category 6, numbers and quantities. You use these daily. Words 86 to 100. 1, 2, 3, first, all, some, many, more, most, no, not, only, very, just, can.
These help you talk about amounts. I have 2 brothers. This is my first lesson. I want some water. There are many people. I can speak English. Wait, can is in this category?
Yes, because it's a helping verb that's extremely common. I can run. I can't swim. Can you help me?
I can do this.
Yes, you can. Now, let's put these words together. I'll make sentences using only the 100 words we learned. Example sentences are, I am a student. I go to school every day. You are my friend. We work together. He has a new car. It is very big. She wants to come with us today. They make good food at that place. I need to find my book because I have class now. Can you help me? I don't know how to do this. Where is the new place? I want to go there.
Wow. Every word in those sentences is from the 100 words we learned?
Every single one. That's how powerful these words are.
That's amazing. So if I learn these 100 words really well, I can make hundreds of sentences?
Thousands, actually. It's all about combining them in different ways. Here are my top tips for learning these 100 words effectively. Tip 1, learn them in categories, like we did today. It's easier for your brain to organize them. Tip 2, use them in sentences immediately. Don't just memorize lists. Tip 3, practice 5 to 10 words per day. Don't try to learn all 100 at once.
So maybe start with pronouns, then move to verbs?
Exactly. Build your foundation step by step.
That makes sense. Small steps, consistent practice.
That's the key to learning any language. Let's recap. Today, we learned 100 of the most common English words for beginners. We organized them into 6 categories: pronouns and basic subjects, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Essential verbs, be, have, do, go, make, get. Common adjectives, good, new, big, small, different. Time and place words, when, where, how, why, what. Connecting words, and, but, in, on, at, to, for. Numbers and quantities, 1, 2, all, some, many, can.
These 100 words make up about 50% of everyday English.
That's right. Master these and you'll understand so much more. Thank you for learning with us today. These 100 words are your foundation. Practice them, use them, and watch your English improve quickly.
Remember, small, consistent steps are better than trying to learn everything at once.
If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe for more clear and practical English every week. We're here to help you talk smart.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.